Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy twisted braid hairstyle. I've roughly curled the hair using my GHD curling tongs, and then I've just applied some texture spray to the lengths to break up the curl. Next, use your thumbs and section out the crown area of the hair, and just use your fingers to comb this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Next, use your fingers to loosen up that crown area by pinching and pulling at the hair. Create a simple 3-strand braid on that little ponytail and secure with another clear elastic band. Apply some more texture spray and use your fingers just to pinch out the very edge of each of those stitches of the braid, just to make it big and messy. Now all we're going to do is gather all the hair from the top of the head in front of the ear and bring this back, so we're going to twist it towards the head and then add a bit of texture spray and just use your fingers to pinch and pull along that twist to give it a bit more volume. Bring this over that top elastic band and just secure it with a bobby pin, and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull some more at that twist until you get it looking how you want it, and then just repeat this on the other side. Now, gathering a small section from the right hand side, we're going to twist this towards the head, and then we're going to use our fingers to make a little hole in that braid and just pass that twist through the hole, and then just secure it to the head with a bobby pin. Then move over to the right hand side and again grab a similar sized section of hair, twist it towards the head, and then just move down the braid a little bit. Use your fingers to create a hole, pass the twist through, and then just secure with a bobby pin. And it's as simple as that really. We're just going to keep working from left to right, taking sections of the hair, moving down the braid, make a little hole and post the twist through and securing as you go. Continue working your way from left to right until you reach the bottom of the braid. To help hide the bobby pins, I've pinned these underneath the braid as you get towards the bottom. Then just apply some texture spray and just spend a few minutes pinching and pulling at that braid until you get a nice voluminous look. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.